Have you ever wondered how to safely remove excess earwax? We'll talk about that and more in this video. It's not surprising that earwax is not typically a favorite household conversation topic. However, it's important to realize that earwax does have a useful purpose. When it's present in the right location, at the right consistency, and in the right quantity, earwax actually does many things that most people are not even aware of. For example, earwax can act as a natural cleanser by moving through the ear canal and picking up debris like dead skin cells, dirt, and hair along the way. Earwax also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, keeping unwanted bacteria and fungi at bay. If you have too much earwax, you'll likely experience pain or discomfort. With not enough earwax, your ears could be itchy or uncomfortable, but when it's just right, you'll be the most comfortable. As long as it's not causing pain, discomfort, or any other problems like hearing loss, you can generally leave earwax alone. Let it do all of its jobs and keep your ears healthy. For many people, however, too much earwax can lead to impaired hearing, discomfort, or pain. Let's take a look at how you can safely remove earwax if you have a mild to moderate blockage. Start by saturating a cotton ball with water, saline, or hydrogen peroxide. Then, tilt your head so that your ear is facing up. Squeeze the cotton ball and allow a few drops of the liquid to trickle into your ear. Follow this by keeping your head tilted for about a minute. This will give the liquid time to reach and penetrate any waxy buildup. Then, tilt your head in the opposite direction and let both the fluid and the softened wax flow out. Lastly, avoid using a cotton swab for earwax removal. In many cases, it actually pushes the wax further inside the ear and creates the potential for damage to the eardrum. If you don't feel comfortable with do-it-yourself earwax removal, or if you have a more serious blockage, it's best to leave it to a professional. Your audiologist or other hearing healthcare professional will often follow the steps that we've already mentioned. However, they may use a bulb syringe to also flush out the ear. They may also use a small tool called a curette to reach into the ear canal and remove the built-up wax. With specialized tools, a lot more experience, and a better view of the problem, a professional can make earwax removal safe and efficient. The last thing you want is a punctured eardrum or permanent hearing damage from DIY earwax removal gone wrong. If you know that you have an earwax blockage, or if you have unexplained hearing loss, give us a call to schedule an appointment right away. We want you to have healthy hearing and just the right amount of earwax.